Yesterday, Minnesota prosecutors raised the main charge for the former officer primarily responsible for the death of George Floyd. He was originally charged with third-degree murder, which means he was facing up to 25 years in prison. Now he's charged with second-degree murder, and he's facing up to 40 years in prison. The question that many people are asking is, can the prosecution prove this elevated, more serious charge of second-degree murder? So let's discuss that. In order to prove second-degree murder, Minnesota prosecutors do not have to prove intent to kill. Rather, what they're alleging is that the former officer, the one with his knee affixed to Floyd's neck, was committing a felony assault. And while in the commission of that felony, Floyd died. I don't think that's going to be too difficult to prove. The video will serve as the centerpiece of the prosecution's case, the primary piece of evidence showing that he was assaulted, that Floyd was assaulted by this officer, and then the medical examiner will say it was a direct result of the actions that the officer took. Now, regarding the other three officers, it's important to note that they were not charged with standing around and doing nothing while the lead officer murdered Floyd. They're charged as accessories. The prosecution will attempt to prove that they aided, abetted, helped in some way the primary officer in committing the assault, the felony assault against Floyd. And while that assault was occurring, Floyd died. So in any way, if they assisted, aided, helped, they could be facing a conviction for second-degree murder, which means they too can get up to 40 years in prison. This is, without question, a very interesting case, and I'm very curious, as I'm sure you are, to see how it all resolves. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me at speaktomark.com. I'm always happy to be of assistance. Take care.